नेचुरल रीजन्स ऑफ पाकिस्तान। पाकिस्तान को उसकी कुदरती खसूसियात, मौसम और वसाइल की बुनियाद पर मुख्तलिफ नेचुरल रीजन्स में तकसीम किया गया है। इन रीजन्स में नॉर्थर्न माउंटेन्स, इंडस रिवर, बलोचिस्तान प्लेटस, डिजर्ट और कोस्टल एरियाज शामिल हैं। हर रीजन की अपनी अलग खसूसियात हैं, जैसे नॉर्थ में बुलंद पहाड़ और ग्लेशियर्स, सिंध के मैदानों में फर्टाइल लैंड, बलूचिस्तान में खुश्क और नाहमवार इलाका, साउथ ईस्ट में रेतीले सहरा और साहिली इलाकों में मोतदिल मौसम। ये नेचुरल रीजन्स पाकिस्तान की एग्रीकल्चर, इकोनॉमी और लोगों की जिंदगी में अहम किरदार अदा करते हैं। इस टॉपिक का पहला MCQ है, द नॉर्दर्न माउंटेन्स ऑफ पाकिस्तान मेनली कंसिस्ट ऑफ विच रेंजेस? हिंदुकुश, कराकोरम, हिमालयास, सुलेमान किरतर या सॉल्ट रेंज, सफ़ेद को वजीरिस्तान हिल्स या फिर अरावली विंध्या। आंसर है ए, हिंदुकुश, कराकोरम एंड हिमालयास। विच इज द हाईएस्ट पीक इन पाकिस्तान? नंगा पर्वत, रकापुशी, केटू या फिर ब्रॉड पीक। आंसर है सी, केटू। केटू is located in which mountain range? Answer है C, Karakoram. The Pothohar Plateau lies between Indus and Chenab, Indus and Jhelum, Ravi and Satluj या Kabul and Indus. Answer है B, Indus and Jhelum. Which desert is the largest in Pakistan? Third desert, Cholistan desert, Thai desert या Haran desert. Answer है A, Third desert. The Indus plain is divided into. Answer है A, upper and lower plain. Next one है, which river is called the lifeline of Pakistan? Jhelum, Ravi, Indus, Chenab. Answer है C, Indus. The coastal areas of Pakistan are located in which province? Sindh only, Balochistan only, Sindh and Balochistan या Punjab and Sindh. Answer is C, Sindh and Balochistan. The Sulayman range is located in northern areas, western Pakistan, eastern Pakistan या southern Punjab. Answer है B, western Pakistan. Which plateau is rich in minerals in Balochistan? Pothohar, Deosai, Balochistan Plateau या Loess Plateau. Answer is C, Balochistan Plateau. Deosai plains are also known as land of rivers, roof of the world, land of giants या land of fairies. Answer है D, land of fairies. A Thai desert lies between which rivers? Indus and Jhelum, Jhelum and Chenab, Indus and Chenab या Ravi and Satluj. Answer is C, Indus and Chenab. The Kirtar range separates. Answer है B, Sindh and Balochistan. Which region receives the highest rainfall? Third desert, northern mountains, Balochistan Plateau या Indus Plain. Answer है B, northern mountains. The Makran coast lies along Arabian Sea, Bay of Bengal, Red Sea, Caspian Sea. Answer है A, Arabian Sea. Which natural region is most suitable for agriculture? Answer है B, Indus Plain. The salt range is famous for gold, rock salt या oil. Answer is C, rock salt. The Balochistan Plateau climate is mostly humid, moderate, arid या tropical. Answer is C, arid. Which river does not originate in Pakistan? Answer is C, Satluj. The Indus Delta is located near Lahore, Karachi, Multan या Quetta. Answer is B, Karachi. Which pass connects Pakistan with Afghanistan? Answer is D, all of these. Next one है, the Cholistan Desert is also known as Third desert, Rohi, sandy plain या dry zone. Answer है B, Rohi. Which mountain range lies in KP? Answer है D, Hindukush. The Indus River enters Pakistan near Gilgit, Skardu, Chaman या Attock. Answer है D, Attock. The climate of coastal areas is extreme, moderate, cold या dry. Answer है B, moderate. The largest plateau in Pakistan is. Answer is C, Balochistan Plateau. Which natural region has sparse population? Answer is C, Balochistan Plateau. Which desert extends into India? Thar, Cholistan, Thar या Kharan. Answer is C. Thar. The main occupation in deserts is fishing, farming, livestock raising या mining. Answer is C. Livestock raising. Which region is rich in forests? Northern mountains, Indus plain, desert या plateau? Answer है A. Northern mountains. Which is the coldest region of Pakistan? Coastal, desert, northern mountains या Indus plain? Answer is C. Northern mountains. The main port of Pakistan is in Gwadar, Karachi, Pasni या Ormara? Answer है B. Karachi. The Indus plain soil is mostly sandy, fertile alluvial, rocky या salty? Answer है B. Fertile alluvial. The climate of the desert is cold, humid, hot and dry या moderate? Answer is C. Hot and dry. The western mountains include Himalayas, Karakoram, Suleiman and Kirtar या Aravalli? Answer is C. Suleiman and Kirtar. Which river flows through Punjab? Indus, Jhelum, Chenab या all of these? Answer is D. All of these. Which region has irrigation canals? Desert, Indus plain, mountains या plateau? Answer is B. Indus plain. The Deosai plains are located in KP, Punjab, Gilgit-Baltistan या Sindh? Answer is C. Gilgit-Baltistan. Which natural region is suitable for tourism? Desert, northern mountains, plateau या Indus plain? Answer is B. Northern mountains. Which desert is located in Balochistan? Answer is D. Haran. The Indus River flows into? Answer is A. Arabian Sea. Which region is least developed? Indus plain, coastal areas, Balochistan Plateau या northern mountains? Answer is C. Balochistan Plateau. The Himalayas lie in south, west, north या east? Answer is C. North. Which natural region has glaciers? Desert, coastal, northern mountains या plateau? Answer is C. Northern mountains. Which area has monsoon rainfall? Balochistan, northern Punjab, desert या plateau? Answer is B. Northern Punjab. The main feature of Indus plain is mountain, plateaus, rivers या deserts? Answer is C. Rivers. Which is the driest region? Answer is C. Balochistan Plateau. The length of Indus River is approximately? Answer is C. 2,900 km. Which region has extreme temperature variation? Coastal, desert, mountains या plain? Answer है B. Desert. Last one है the Makran Coastal Highway connects Karachi to Gwadar, Lahore to Karachi, Quetta to Karachi या Peshawar to Gwadar? Answer है A. Karachi to Gwadar.